idea from Miro AI Studio. The AI Playground template transforms chaotic ideation into structured product concepts you can present to stakeholders in minutes. Open templates on the left bar and search for AI Playground. Click the button to launch the brainstorming Sidekick. Start by setting a clear objective. What product opportunity are you exploring? Which customer problem are you solving? Specific challenges generate better AI responses. The template includes a default prompt to get you started. Create 12 stickies that contain ideas for an innovative consumer product. The product should combine a physical device with a mobile companion app. You can use this as size or customize it for your specific needs. The more detail you provide about your challenge, the better your starting point. The Sidekick generates multiple concept directions instantly, but even the template includes example ideas to inspire your thinking. Review the brainstormed ideas and choose your favorite. Add it to the frame provided. You can always add your own flavor to it or combine multiple concepts. Invite your team to vote on favorites, add their own ideas, and use reactions to build consensus. AI provides breadth, but your team adds strategic depth. Select your chosen idea and hit Run. Miro flows transform it into a complete concept package: creative brief, visual mock-up, working prototype, presentation, table, and even a diagram. What normally takes days happens in minutes. AI flows generate comprehensive descriptions with key features, target users, and implementation considerations, all formatted professionally and ready for stakeholder review. Invite your team to refine outputs, add comments, vote on features to prioritize, or use sidekicks for expert feedback. Take concepts further by converting them into timelines, diagrams, or tables. Everything stays connected on one canvas without copy-pasting between tools. The template works for solo exploration or team workshops and supports both real-time and async collaboration. Try the AI Playground template in Miro today. Check out our Mastering Miro playlist for more tutorials. Subscribe for more tutorials that help you work faster and smarter in Miro.